This is for 1.05 tone. And let's start with the objectives. It says you're going to demonstrate understanding of tone, how it is created, and its effect. Analyze the tone of a selection of poetry. At the top of the page it says writers generate feelings in their audience by using words that express specific tones. When we speak, we use our tone of voice to indicate we are feeling. Imagine the following the scenario. So you've got this picture here with this kid. You're going to click on
Honey,
him.
do you want to go to the beach this weekend?
And he's going to talk. Okay? so, so you'll watch that and you'll read the rest of the page and then you'll go on to page 2. On page 2 it talks about mood. Mood is the result of that attitude. It is the feeling that reader gets during and after reading and is influenced by setting, conflict, theme, and characterization. So here you're going to use the tone finder, and it says check out this exciting new phone application by selecting the different tones playing right now. See if you can find a tone that suits your mood. So you're going to click on these and hear it, and that's going to help you to understand tone better. Then it says tone in real life. So you're going to read through all of these, and it has a couple of scenarios. You will need to click down on these blue parts to get the explanation. So make sure that you do that on both of these and you read the whole thing to be sure that you understand tone. And then you're going to go on to page 3. Here on page 3, it starts out, it says, when we cannot hear a voice. Understanding tone is a key to understanding someone's meaning. Imagine what would happen if we were tone deaf to our parents, teachers, or friends' words. We can interpret someone's or something's tone even if we cannot hear their voice. So it's going to give you some examples of how you can do that, some different strategies. Here you see diction, imagery, details, and syntax. You're going to click on each of these and then you're going to read about it. And then down here, in this little beige part, it says items will disappear when stored. Here are your categories: negative, neutral, positive, and here are your items. So you'll take them and then you'll move them to wherever you think they go: negative, neutral, positive, and then you'll go on and finish reading the page, and then you'll go to page 4. On page 4 it says when we need just the right word. Now that you know how to determine and create tone, it says use the DIDS, take a look at the following words you can use to describe tone accurately. Keep this list with you as part of your notes. You will use these tone words again when you write about literature. So if you click here where it says tone words, it's going to bring that up. All these words that you can use to create tone. So you can like look at one and think like, oh, what kind of tone does this create? Tender, for example, stressful, romantic, mocking. All of these, they create a different kind of tone. So you'll want to take a look at that list, and those words will help you. And then it says, fortunes in men's eyes. Readers often love poems because the words express important or powerful emotions that all people have. Because of this, diction and tone become especially important to poets. Then you're going to read this sonnet by Shakespeare, Sonnet 29, and it says, fortune in men's eyes. And in this poem you will notice two distinct, which means clear and different, tones. Use DIDS to determine what they are. And there are a few words in there that are, you can look at the definition. So read through this. I would also recommend try to find like a recorded version so you can hear another voice read it besides your own voice. When you read poetry, it's good to hear it in several different voices. And then down here is the DIDS right here: diction, imagery, details, syntax, and tone. So you'll want to check your understanding by clicking on each of these and then clicking on the checking your understanding. And then it says, would you like to read more? And it has some different options for you. And that is what you do for this, and I will make a different recording for page 5, which goes over the assessment. So make sure you move on to that. And don't forget to read all the pages and all the words. And let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.